Hello, my name is Denis Denisenko. In this video, we'll explore the teamwork features in the Dolphin Anti-Detect browser. Dolphin Anti offers a built-in teamwork capability. You can add individual users, assign them roles, and work together in the browser as a team. Adding users to your account for teamwork is only available on the base, team, and enterprise plans. Creating and deleting a user. Let's move on to creating an additional user and starting teamwork. If you've already purchased an extra user, go to the Users section and click the plus sign to add them. A window will then open where you'll need to enter the display name, email, password, and select a user role. You must enter an email for a user who isn't already registered with the Dolphin Anti-Detect browser. Next, let's take a closer look at the roles available in the browser. Admin. The admin has full permissions. They can view, edit, and use the profiles of all users. They can assign team leads to users and change their roles. Team lead. A team lead can only manage the users assigned to them by the admin. They can launch them, edit them, and so on. User. A user can only create profiles, use them, and transfer them to other users. They also have access to proxies and browser settings. After filling in all the fields, click Create, and the user will appear in the general list. Deleting a user. When a user is deleted, all browser profiles created by that user will also be deleted. Therefore, we advise you to transfer the profiles to the admin or another user before deleting them. Viewing user profiles. If you want to see all the profiles belonging to your additional user, go to the Browser section, select Filters, and then choose the user whose profiles you want to view. After that, the profiles of the user you selected will be displayed in the general browser list. Transferring or sharing browser profiles. Transferring is for completely handing over a profile to another user. The profile disappears from your list and appears for the user you transferred it to. You need to select the desired profile. A blue panel will appear at the bottom where you need to select Transfer. A window will then open where you can enter the user's email and transfer the selected profile to them. You can also choose whether to transfer the profile with or without a proxy. Please note that after transferring the profiles, they will disappear from your account and only be available to the user you send them to. The conditions for transferring browser profiles are presented in a sender to receiver format. A free account cannot transfer to another free account. A free account cannot transfer to a paid account. A paid account can transfer to a free account, and a paid account can transfer to another paid account. Paid plans include Base, Team, Enterprise, and Free with additional profiles. Free plans are free without additional profiles or the trial version. Transferring profiles removes the profile from the person who is sending it. It's convenient for those who farm accounts and put them up for sale. Sharing is for sharing a profile and granting permissions for that profile. There are two ways. Also through the blue panel as described above, just select Share in the window, then choose which specific rights you want to grant for the profile, and then click Share. If you want to revoke a user's profile rights, you need to select which profile rights you want to remove and then select Revoke Rights. To the left of the profile name, hover over the three dots and select Show Access. In this window, you can see what access has been granted to the profile and to which users it has been given. And also here, you can immediately revoke profile rights or conversely grant them and then click Save. Proxy sharing. There are also two ways to share a proxy. First, when transferring a profile to a user, turn on the Transfer with Proxy toggle. Go to the Proxy section, select the required proxy, and click Share. Next, a window will open where you can choose who you want to share this proxy with or, conversely, revoke someone's access to the proxy. Then click Save and you're all set. We remind you that for all new users, we have a 20% discount on the first payment using the promo code YouTube. With a one-time payment for any annual plan, you receive an automatic discount of 40%. Don't forget to comment on our manuals and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the latest updates and project news. Thank you for watching.